next topic is the packet filtering firewall types. This is the most interesting topic for a network security engineer, and it's most asking question during the interview for network security engineer. What is the stateless firewall, or what is the stateful firewall, and what is the difference between stateless firewall and stateful firewall? So let's we have talk about the stateless firewall. Stateless packet filtering firewall means that each packet is treated as an independent communication connection. So therefore, stateless means that the firewall is unaware of the established session. Now, established session goes through the handshake process such as the TCP three-way handshake, and then after that we have a session transmission with that session. But the stateless firewall does not understand that it can look at the session and allow other subsequent traffic to be the part of that session and to be allowed in. It treats every packet individually. Now let's talk about the stateful firewall. Stateful firewall is the opposite because it's aware of the established sessions such as those established through the TCP way handshake. So because of this, then the stateful packet filtering firewall would be able to look and let's say it incoming packet going through the firewall and examining its current state, means which time TCP session was open, close and synchronized. Now we have already gone through established session between host, and yet we are receiving another session to set up and establish its session from the same system. Then our firewall will capture that and determine whether or not that's suspicious. So in stateful firewall is the aware of the established connection, so we can implement the IPsec means IP security functions such as the tunnel and decap encryption. And one point is in a stateless firewall known as the access control list, means you have to allow or deny for the every packet because it's every packet is treated as independently. So this is the main difference between the stateless firewall and stateful firewall.